Hey guys, my name is Ryan and I am the Amazon and eBay guru on YouTube. And today I wanted to talk to you about an amazing new feature that Onlinejobs.ph has on their website, and it is called Amazon Seller Essentials. It's basically a course that is available through Onlinejobs.ph, and this course will be sent to your virtual assistants. You send this course to them and they will go through the course, and it will teach them everything that they need to know in terms of the essentials for selling on Amazon and for every sort of task that you would need your virtual assistant to do for you while you're selling on Amazon and while you're getting them to work for you. So this is a super helpful program because I've spent countless hours teaching my virtual assistants how to sell on Amazon, what to do in order to run my business the way that I want it run. And I never had something that I could sort of send to them where they could just go through on their own at their own pace and learn everything that they need to know without me having to teach them anything. So this is a new course that Onlinejobs.ph has come out with, and it has been super helpful. I went through it a couple times on my own just to make sure that everything is accurate and up to date, and the course is great. And it's another way to give yourself a competitive advantage over your competitors and to be able to grow your Amazon business without having to spend a bunch of time training someone, and in the event that they quit, then having to spend all that time again training someone else. You just send them a link, you say go through it on your own time, and of course you're gonna have to pay them for it. You pay them for their time because they're watching this course for your business, but it's gonna definitely help you a lot. And if you guys have not checked out Onlinejobs.ph for hiring your virtual assistants, then make sure you get to Onlinejobs.ph and check it out. Also, if you have checked it out but you have not signed up for the course through Onlinejobs.ph, you guys definitely got to check that out too. And it's right through their Seller Academy, and you can go through the course. It's called Amazon Seller Essentials, and at that point just send it over to your virtual assistant and they can go through the course. And if they have any questions, of course, you're going to most likely be able to answer them as you're already selling on Amazon. So I will jump into my laptop now and we will go through the modules that are taught in this course. And yeah, and if you guys haven't signed up for Onlinejobs.ph, I'll put a link in the description below where you can sign up and get a free trial. So we will hop into my laptop now. Alright guys, so we are in my laptop now and we are going to go through the Amazon Seller Central training that I spoke to you about earlier, and let's get right into it. So here's the welcome. It says those that use them save time in learning so that time can be more effectively used on things that are important. Initially, there's nothing for you to do except to let your hired workers, they'll have to be marked hired, know about the training. You can send them this link for access. This is the link. And then why this course was created. So to save time with training new freelancers, it's important for employees working remotely. Will ensure competence for the newly hired virtual assistant. More time will be spent by the employer for other important things. So here's the areas that are taught in this course for the virtual assistant: customer service, understanding data, setting up promotions, optimizing pricing, sponsored ads, inventory fulfillment, and managing listings. So basically everything that a virtual assistant is going to be doing for your business, they're going to be taught in this course. So definitely very helpful for them to watch when they're working for your Amazon business. And who else could use it? So Seller Central account and Amazon account holder, those who are new to Amazon and Seller Central, other users like your virtual assistant. So I'm basically catering this towards people who are already selling on Amazon, who want to hire a virtual assistant, or who already have a virtual assistant working for them that they want to be able to grow their Amazon business and not have to train virtual assistants to be able to do everything, they can just watch this course, and it's going to definitely be a big time saver for you. So the main advantage of this course, like I just said, save time teaching and learning, as the learner can simply go back to the videos anytime that they need. This course is not sales strategy oriented. It only shows how to effectively use tools, features, and systems in Seller Central and Amazon. So, like I said, this isn't going to be a course that you're going to watch and learn how to sell on Amazon. But this is going to be a course where your virtual assistant can watch and learn the features of Amazon. So definitely can help you grow your business without having to spend a ton of time teaching them how to do it. So let's go to the actual course. So we'll click this link, and this will take us to Amazon Seller Central Essentials. And so it says, please watch this first. We aren't going to play this.
Welcome to this.
Pause. Okay. So this is basically a welcome video, and it will kind of explain what the course is about, but here is the summary. So like we said, we've already went over this, and the area is taught and the main advantages. So now let's go through the portions of the course that are on this left side. So the introduction, so the watch first, that's what we see here. What is Amazon? What is Seller Central? So definitely helpful, especially to someone, if you've hired a virtual assistant who has never worked on an Amazon business or never worked for another Amazon seller, then this can be definitely helpful so they can learn about what Amazon is and what Seller Central is. How to set up an Amazon account. They shouldn't really need to know too much how to do, because you should already have your Amazon account. But if you are brand new and you're looking to just hire a virtual assistant to set up your Amazon account, then I guess this could be helpful. But I don't recommend doing that. I recommend setting up your own Amazon account. Next is becoming a user on an existing Seller Central account. So this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to set them up as a user, and this will show them how to do that, I guess, but you should be doing this on your own so that you can set their permissions. You want to definitely be setting their user permissions so that they can't get access to everything, because you don't want to have a virtual assistant who changes everything in your store that you don't want them to change. So you want to definitely keep that permissions set to only what you want the virtual assistant to be doing. What is an ASIN number? What is a SKU? What is FBA and FBM? So it'll explain the difference between fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by merchant. What are keywords or key terms? The editable elements of listings, parent-child relationship in terms of listings, the different best-selling lists, changing languages in Seller Centrals, switching between Seller Centrals for different countries. So all very basic introductory stuff, but if they've never done it before, then it saves you having to show them how to do it. So the next section is customer service training. So this is going to be helpful if you have a very large store or a store that gets a ton of messages. And then this way you can teach your virtual assistant, or they will learn how to do it, the customer service training that they are going to require to be able to answer questions on your Amazon business. So what are buyer messages? Creating message templates, answering questions asked. So these would be questions asked by customers. What are reviews? Commenting on a positive review, commenting on a negative review, matching orders to reviews. So this is all in terms of if you have your own private label product and you're getting reviews on it, what you want the virtual assistant to be doing on it, and then they'll learn how to do that. What is seller feedback? Replying to positive seller feedback, dealing with negative seller feedback, manually shipping out FBA units, creating removal orders. So this is so they can remove items from the Amazon FBA warehouses. And this is actually very helpful for them to know, because I've had it before where I didn't get to a removal order in time. I didn't create a removal order in time, and Amazon destroyed my inventory. So you definitely want to be creating those removal orders, especially on higher value inventory, because once that destroy inventory ticket is created, there's no going back. You're not allowed to cancel it, which is kind of sucks, but definitely good to keep them on top of creating removal orders so that you can send items back to you, and then you determine whether you're going to write them off or be able to resell them as used, or sometimes you can even resell them as new. So locating past orders, finding customer phone numbers. This is all pretty basic stuff. You're going to find that, of course, right in your orders through Seller Central. But if they don't know how to do it, then this is good for them to know. Confirming FBM orders, fulfillment by merchant, and canceling FBM orders. Refunding orders, finding out the real name of a reviewer, which could be helpful, and find shipping tracking numbers for orders placed. Next is step. So as you can see, it's very in-depth. It's going to go through a lot. So I'm going to go through everything that is offered in this course so that you guys know what to expect if you're going to sign up for this Amazon Seller Central Essentials course through Onlinejobs.ph for your virtual assistants. Next is stats and data training. So finding star review rating, finding bestseller rank, checking keyword position, gathering sales data. And you guys may be saying, okay, well, I know how to do all this stuff already. But the nice thing is this course is not designed for you guys. This course is designed for your virtual assistant, and you don't need to worry about teaching them all of this stuff, especially if they don't already know it. It's going to save a ton of time. So let's go through the rest. Finding payment information, finding different types of transaction information, finding sponsored ads invoices, getting long-term storage fee data, buy box occupancy, gathering FBM order data, FBA order data, finding return reports, tracking conversion metrics, getting reimbursed for missing damaged inventory adjustments. I really like this part of the course because this can make you money back, and you want to be getting your virtual assistant to do this for you, creating these tickets so that Amazon can reimburse you for items that went missing. Next is promotions training. So what is a discount code or promotion? Manage promotion product selection, creating a money off promotion. So this is a dollar value off, creating a money off cross promotion, creating an FBM, external benefit promotion. So these are going to be for creating your sometimes like lightning deals or deals that you're going to create so that you can get your virtual assistant to create a money off deal for you. So this can definitely be helpful. Create a buy one get one free promotion, FBM free shipping promotion, setting up one-time use codes, reserving inventory, getting your promotion records, creating a giveaway promotion where external benefits text shows. Okay. Next is sponsored ads training. So if you're not running sponsored ads, you can of course get them to skip this portion. But if you are running sponsored ads, which can be highly helpful for your business, then you're going to want them to go through this and learn everything that they need to know about sponsored ads. Next is the managed pricing, and definitely helpful if you're going to be getting them to deal with your pricing. It will show them how to change the price of a listing and then once again check buy box occupancy, which I think was offered up top also. Next is listing management training, which I'm going to say is going to probably be your most helpful portion of the course. So I definitely would make sure that they learn how to do this part. So this is where they're going to be able to learn how to create a new product listing, which is definitely helpful, especially if you're going to be getting them to create listings. Filling out listing information on the web interface, what is a flat file, filling out inventory, flat file. So it helps them know what a flat file is and how they can have it created and then uploaded into Amazon. So definitely helpful. And there's lots of super helpful stuff in here. So get them to go through all of this. And for those of you who do Amazon FBA, which of course if you're not doing, you should be getting into because it's highly, highly helpful with growing your business. This will show them how to create shipping labels for FBA, how to send in FBA, and how to increase FBA storage limits, like all super helpful information. And finally, administration. So brand registry requirements, set up login with Amazon and Amazon Pay, and creating an Amazon store. So very, very helpful course, very in-depth, and I highly, highly recommend it if you have not taught your virtual assistant already what to do, or if you're thinking about hiring more virtual assistants, then this course is definitely for you, and this will really help you grow your Amazon FBA business. So I really hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks so much for watching, guys.